Testimonials. I think you're getting the hang of this. For the thumbnail, you know the drill: square, inside square, picture above it, Ctrl-Alt-G. The only difference, we add a gray stroke to the outer square. Use D9, D9, D9. Add the title, add some dummy text. Adjust the height spacing. Then last, add the name of the person and city. Another gray line at the bottom. Group it and the first client review is done. Copy it 2 times. Select them all and hit Distribute Vertical Centers. Now they have the same space between them. Change the pictures and the title so it will look better. Make the pictures black and white with an adjustment layer. To make sure the whole design doesn't become black and white, group the thumbnail layers and add the adjustment to that folder with Ctrl-Alt-G. Make the Twitter feed using the same techniques. Use Icon Finder for the icon. Add some dummy text, but with some links inside. Adjust the height spacing if needed, and we're good to go. Same goes for the company information, so at this point, we're just going to fast forward. The About Us, services we offer, and latest news require the same techniques as before. I'll zoom through these since they don't require any special treatment. Just in case you wanted to see more, you'll get a bunch of Christian sessions where he does everything live. Plus, he explains everything. Let's move on to the footer. We will first make a rectangle as wide as the body. Then go to Layer Effects and use a pattern, so we'll have a nice texture on it. I don't want it too dark, so I won't go for a full opacity. You can use any pattern you have in your system. You'll have some in your resource folder as well. After that, let's add text, some links, change the link colors, and we're there. Just use the Type tool in the Character panel to get all these exactly the way you want them. To create these nice separators, make 2 lines. One white and one black. Drop the opacity all the way down to about 10 to 20% until they're looking good, like they're pressed into the background. No percentage is set in stone. It depends on your background color, really. After that is done, group, rename to separator, then copy multiple times. Do the same for the other ones. For portfolio, apply Square, Square, Image. Control-Alt-G, Group, Rename, and voila! Duplicate with Alt-Shift or Control-J, and it's like magic. Make sure you distribute them evenly. We have a nice gray line at the top of the footer that adds some detail. Get the rectangle tool and drag along the width. For the bottom part, drag another rectangle, make it the same color as the top line, and then add an inner shadow from the FX panel. I'll use these settings. Opacity, 20%. 1 pixel distance, 1 pixel size. Again, play with it. Then add a copyright in the menu items from up top, group, rename, and it's done. Congratulations, we've just made our first project. To export the project as a JPEG file, go to File, Save for Web, select JPEG, and set the quality to maximum. Try it out for yourself and see how it goes.